Hi all folks, this is Max from ZeroMax.com and HTC Evo Hacks.com. So if for some reason you bought the warranty and you need to return it for a new Evo 4G or whatever, you want to return it back to completely stock, you've installed what is that, the recovery menu clock or whatever. For some reason, if you want to get it back to factory, you can just get the RUU on Windows computer and install it. And there's another way to do it. You can also install the what is that, Evo, unrevoke-forever.zip. Then you can do it manually via SD card, but I'm just going to show you how to do it with Windows, since that's how I did it. So what you're going to do is I'm just going to show you what version I have. I have actually the latest version update, and I'm gonna bring it back to factory so I can show you how to root it if you just got the phone. So my build is 3.70 So as you can see, this is the latest version 2.2 as of January 19, 2011. So this is like the latest. So what you want to do is download the RUU, the exe file. I have links on this YouTube post and also my blog post. And basically download that and then connect your Evo to your computer via USB. So let's go to our computer real quick. I've got it connected to my Windows computer, and what you're gonna do is turn it off, power it off, power off. Okay, and then hopefully you got it powered up. I got it powered up. And then what you're gonna do is hit volume down button and then power button, and then you're gonna go into fast boot mode. That's the mode you need to be in, so it's recognized by your computer and you can install the RU update. So I'm gonna hit the volume down button, hit the power button, and then it's gonna go into the bootloader, and I have the hboot 2.10.001, which is the latest. Alright, and then it's gonna check for some kind of file, and then hit power button at fast boot, and now it should say fast boot USB. Alright, and then the next step is if you open up your device manager, you should have under ADB interface my HTC. If you don't have it, if you get some kind of error, so let me just do it. Let me uninstall it. And then let me just unplug it real quick. And if you don't have the right driver installed, what you'll get is well, it keeps. Let me uninstall it just to show you what happens if you don't have it installed. Delete these drivers. There we go. So what you get is Android 1.1.0 like that. So what you do is you just double click, and I'll have the links to the driver, update driver, browse my computer for my driver, and then look for that file, the HTC driver. I have a Windows 64-bit, so I'll use that. But if you have 32, go browse that file. That I have links to the driver. And then next, installing driver update, and then OK. And then now you should have my HTC. Now you're all good to go. You don't need to. You can install HTC Sync to install drivers, but that just takes longer. What's the point? And then also now you'll go to you'll go open up the RUU. Let me see. It's the 3.70. This is the latest one. This is the one you'll want to run. And then run this. And this will let you unroot it back to completely stock. You don't have to worry about it. Just let it run. So long as it recognizes your Evo. Okay, I understand. Next. And if you have a Mac, I'll show you another way to do it if there's enough people who want it. And next. Now it's running, it's just gonna update it back to stock. So the reason why I'm doing this, so I can make another video to show people who just got the HTC Evo on how to root it, which will be my next video, another rooting video, because my older root video, it's not going to work on the new ones. So just hit update, and this is going to take another probably 10 minutes. So it's just gonna, it's actually gonna update the same one, but it's gonna, you know, erase my recovery and everything that I just did to it. So now it's rebooting to bootloader, and your phone is gonna look, you know, like this. It's gonna have HTC, and it's just gonna do its thing for like 20 minutes. And once it's done, it means your phone has been unrooted and it's back to completely stock, updated to the latest OTA update. So I'll be back after this finishes. So that's how you unroot it, but I'll show you the ending. Hi all folks, so the rooting process has done, or no, unrooting process has just been done. Congratulations. My phone is rebooting, so now it's unrooted. For some reason you install a bunch of different ROMs, you want to get, you know, you lost your WiMAX. And you can do this to get your WiMAX key back, or whatever, get it back to completely stock. So it should boot up very, very shortly. Let me just wait until then. And you know, for developers, you can unroot it like myself and get it back to completely stock, or update it to the latest OTA. So there you go. So I've got the Sprint logo. It's completely stock. Now I'm gonna go root it to show new Sprint users how to root it. So that'll be my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll have more tips on the HTC Evo. Also, I'm gonna get the Nexus S pretty soon, so watch out for that. So that's it. No, I don't want to wait. Well, let me just show you until it's completely booted up. Doop doop doop. And hello. You can probably skip to the end of this video to see it working, but I'm just recording this just to show you that it did unroot. And you can also even go check your bootloader, and it should it should be back to stock. No more recovery menu. Hello. It's coming. There you go. So I got it. It's not working. Now it's doing the new startup thing, thinking you just got the phone. So that's how you unroot it. I'm gonna go root it now. So see y'all later.